close and admire his plumes, he sings the most complex song he can manage.
2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1, that's 3, quick maths.
He also, in his attempt to outsing his rivals, incorporates other sounds that he hears in the forest.
The queen goes grrrr.